Samsung have put a thin layer of titanium inside the screen to help it to be super strong. Benefit of titanium is that it's not only strong, but it's also ultra light and flexible, meaning that you can put this phone through a surprising amount of punishment, and that hinge is genuinely an engineering masterpiece. I think that this right here is the most important smartphone to be released this year. It's the Fold 8 by Samsung, and it represents a new chapter that is unfolding in the smartphone industry. The form factor is the big headline here. It is not a normal shape of a smartphone. It's actually the same dimensions as a passport and not too much thicker when folded than a pack of chewing gum. But when you unfold it, you're left with a very big and bright screen that is perfect for watching videos or your favorite TV shows on, and all of that in a device that is now just a tiny bit thicker than the USB-C port on the bottom there. Now, one thing to note about the internal display, it is a softer display to be able to do the bend, which means that it is more prone to scratches, but it is very durable for a folding phone. Samsung have put a thin layer of titanium inside the screen to help it to be super strong. Benefit of titanium is that it's not only strong, but it's also ultra light and flexible, meaning that you can put this phone through a surprising amount of punishment, and that hinge is genuinely an engineering masterpiece. The cameras on this phone, as you'd expect, are very nice. There is only 2 of them, not the standard 3 that you'd see on a Pro phone these days, but a lot of that comes down to being able to fit everything in such a small package. It's going to be very interesting to see what Apple comes out with later on this year, because the rumors of their folding phone are all but confirmed. But I think the upper hand that Samsung has with this particular phone is just how long they've been doing it. Samsung have refined this hinge over many years, making it very durable, very tough. It closes perfectly flat, and then when you open it up, it sits perfectly flat as well. And also, the actual hinge itself is very tough. But what do you think? Are you a fan of the new Samsung Fold 8? Are you hanging out for the rumored iPhone Ultra? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to follow us to see how this all unfolds.